Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Placement Wala, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Placement Wala. Friends, as you are aware, the IT market in the last few years is not very good. The companies which were hiring in bulk are rarely hiring. Wipro, very less hiring. You can say 0.01% hiring, what they used to do earlier. Infosys hired generally from the colleges. TCS hired good number of a student, there is no doubt, but everybody cannot get into TCS now. That is also a fact. There are only 40,000 hiring altogether, smart hiring, NQT and all. So everyone cannot get a job in TCS. Now what are the other options we have? So basically today I am here and I'm going to talk about what you should do so that it will be easy for you to get a job. Okay, it will be easy for you to search a job. Okay, so my main concern here is how getting a job or how searching a job will become easier. Okay, so friends, if you are a graduate of 2023, 2024, 2022 not placed, then if you will take advice from someone, they will tell you that, my dear friends, use Naukri. But as a tutor, right, so as a teacher, when I interact with most of the students, they say, sir, I have a paid membership of Naukri and I am not able to get a job. See, the thing is, skills are also required. Okay, but I know there are many students who has skills, but even with Naukri, they are not able to get good calls. They are getting calls basically from BPO and all, not from the good companies. So the market is still impacted and not this paid membership and all is not working out. Then you can say, sir, TCS paid NQT, sir. I have made multiple videos on TCS paid NQT. Out of 1,000 students, one student also, it's very difficult for them to get a job. So that also is ruled out. Then sign. And today I'm anyway going to talk about how you can approach for the job for free. And then we have sign, fine, all are gone now. Okay. So these are anyway not visible now and it will not help you to get a job as well. Okay. Then comes Unstop and many other platform. You all know, right? See, nothing is hidden from you. So whatever I am talking, you also know, I also know. Then we only have two options left for us. Okay. But before that, friends, any opportunity you are getting, right, treat that as a last and single opportunity. If you are from the batch of 2023, 2024, 2022, if you see somewhere Cognizant is hiring 2023, you have to give your everything on that particular hiring. Because if you keep missing this opportunity, then you will end up becoming jobless or you will end up becoming working in BPO sector. That you have to accept it. See, we cannot deny the fact. And you also have to be prepared earlier before this kind of hiring comes. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you will be getting the proper updates. LinkedIn and online study for you. Now, I will talk first about LinkedIn. So friends, LinkedIn has helped many students get a job. I will not say in bulk, I know 50,000 students, those who got a job. No, that I will not say. 100, 150, see, what I know, see what happens, you get selected tomorrow, you will come and say, sir, through LinkedIn I had got a job. Even I could see, when I will go on LinkedIn, I will see there will be a lot of job posting will be there. So daily minimum 15 to 20 minutes you need to spend on LinkedIn. If you are not doing that in 2024, where LinkedIn is still a professional platform. After 2 years, I don't know if LinkedIn will again become TikTok. That we don't know. Okay. But today, LinkedIn is still assumed as a professional platform and most of the CEO of the companies are also there on the LinkedIn. Now, even the actors, Varun Dhawan, right? So they have started joining and another 2 years, I don't know what is going to happen. Okay. Because Instagram also earlier used to be a good platform. But now everything is there on LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever you can search for and whatever you search for and whatever you want, right? Okay. You can say dating platform, everything it has become. Fine. So this is clear. Now, so on LinkedIn, what you have to do, okay? first of all, you should have a very good profile. And see, not only if you're jobless, then also LinkedIn is required. If you want to switch job from one company to other company, then also LinkedIn is required. If you want to put your issues also forward, then also LinkedIn is required. See, you know, I don't know what is this. Okay, so let me find. Okay, so please create a profile on LinkedIn. After you create a profile on LinkedIn, okay, so what you do, anyway, you are going to add your skills. Based on the skills, that job will be, you will be able to see that kind of job. Try to send connection request to recruiters so that whenever they will post something, you will be able to get to know. See, Tata Consultancy today, I have put a post. So TCS is now currently, they have hired a lot of candidates, but they are not onboarding. And now you have to bring this issue, right? And for bringing this issue only, if you would have seen here, right? So for bringing this issue only, we have put a post, and there is an option where you can tag even the TCS CEO and request, sir, this is the problem, please provide me the solution, right? Okay, so here you can see this, all those things you will be able to do it. Okay, so this definitely help, you will be getting it. So you have to create a connection, you have to make a connection on LinkedIn so that if any hiring post comes, you will be able to require referrals also, you will be able to get on LinkedIn only. On YouTube and all, you will not be able to get the referral. Please keep that in mind. Please send also a connection request to me. The link will be in the description of the video. I also want to get connected with you. If there is anything, I will definitely let you know. I will definitely help you. Let's together fight for getting a job here. If we are not together, then see, there are a lot of proverbs are there. If you have only this pen, you can easily break it. I'm not going to break it, it is very costly. If you have a single pen, you can easily break it. But if you have a bunch of pen, and if I will ask you to do, then it will be very, very tough for you. So when we are together, we can do wonders, right? We can see how we can get a job, what is a feasibility, how we can fight with the company, how we can go against the company, how we can ask the question to the company, all the rights we have, right? So all those things we will be able to do. Now, second thing, friends, so it will look like a promotion, okay, but anyway, I never force anyone. If you want, you can quit from here. See, lot of results comes actually, okay, that is because of not only our hard work, because of their plus our. 1 plus 1 will become 2, 1 plus 0 will remain 1 only. Okay, so because of our combined effort, you will be able to see the results. Either it is test series, the classes, the mock test, the mock interview, each and everything contributes, and then only you will be able to see the results. So you have to be prepared beforehand so that when the hiring comes, you directly jump on it with your preparation. But if you're not prepared, then it will be a problem. So see, we have few courses here. If you're from 2024 batch, 2023 batch, go for Achievers 2.4. If you're from 2025 batch, 2026 batch, go for Achievers 2.5 batch. If you want to prepare for TCS and QT, if you want to prepare for aptitude, then these are the courses. The link will be there in the description. You can check it out. And daily live classes will be scheduled for you, where you will be able to directly interact with me. You can ask your doubts, right? There will be private WhatsApp group will be there where you will be able to ask your doubts. Each and everything we will be doing it for you. Anyway, you have spent so much money in your colleges, right? In the 4 years. Now, I want you to spend just 1500 rupees, okay? And then you see in 1 month, definitely you will get a lot of confidence. And see, I know most of you will be, because of you are not getting job, you are depressed or you are sad or something like that. So definitely you will see some kind of confidence, some kind of motivation when we are into the class, okay? And I will tell you many more things which I am talking here, it is just 10%. So the 90% definitely you will be getting in the class, where I will tell you how you have to do, what you have to do, how you can reach to the recruiters, okay? So how we can have a common place where the people working in other company can refer you. All those things will be keep happening. So with that only, I will end the class for today. I will end the video for today. We'll meet soon in the next video. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. The link is in description. Do check it out.